How do they change wheels on a giant airplane? First, they check the wear. A coin goes into the tread. If it only sinks halfway, the tire needs replacement. Next, a powerful hydraulic jack lifts the landing gear of a machine weighing tens of tons. The mechanic removes the cover, loosens the nuts, and the central lock. The old wheel comes off and a new one takes its place. It's almost like changing a car tire, but on a massive scale. Would you like to work as an aircraft technician? Hit like and subscribe if you're impressed by this job too.